In the age of disruption, either a business plays the disruptor role or gets disrupted. One approach is to identify potential partners and make alliances in the startup stage, or acquire promising businesses to acquire a larger market share. Acquisitions and mergers like Amazon and Whole Foods, Facebook and Instagram, Nordstrom and Trunk Club, Tim Hortons and Wendy's are such moves. However, integrating two firms' IT systems, consolidating operation applications, creating visibility, and deploying best practices across both companies takes years. A platform that seamlessly communicates with disparate systems and delivers prescriptive analysis is compulsory to accomplish this goal. UCBOS platform comes with high-performance NoSQL graph database. Businesses can define their own custom schema definitions without any coding and integrate structured and unstructured information to build a single source of truth. UCBOS platform helps businesses analyze past performance, incorporate future forecasts to predict the plausible outcomes on various business scenarios to informed decisions.